Powerful people make places powerful.
Suppose this is the diagram, and suppose this is my B vector, and suppose this is my A vector. Okay, what is the question? And suppose the angle between them is theta. Okay, the question is asked, you have to find the component of A along B. I will explain you how to take the component. So you will draw the one perpendicular, mark the one perpendicular. After that, take that projection on this vector, because I have to find the component of A which is along B. So you have to find the projection along this. So this will be how much? I explained you earlier how to take the component mod of A into cos theta. Correct? See, what is mod of A? That is root 3 sir. What is cos theta? How will you find? That is the angle between this. How will you find this theta? How will you find this theta? That is a question. How will you find this theta? Is there any way to calculate that theta? Do you know how to calculate this theta? The answer is, sir, till now what you have taught, from that we cannot calculate theta. Okay. So then how will you calculate? So from here only there is a something is coming to the picture, that is called as a dot product. Okay. You have learned two types of products are there. One is called as a scalar product and one is called as a vector product. So what is dot product? Dot product is a type of a scalar product. Dot product is a type of a scalar product. So from this thing only we are going to learn about that is called as a dot product. Okay. Dot product. Okay. Also called as a scalar product. Why scalar product? Because the result is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude. So that's why it is also called as a scalar product. Clear? Sorry. Okay. So let us see this now. What is my dot product or a scalar product? Okay. Okay. So see now. Dot product, suppose I have two vectors, one vector is vector A, dot with vector B, is defined as mod of A vector, that you know how to calculate, mod of B vector, okay, mod of B vector into cos theta, where the question is what is this theta? Theta is the angle between two vectors. Okay, theta is the angle between two vectors. So from here I can write my cos theta as what? I can write that it is A dot B vector divided by mod of A vector into mod of B vector. So from here you can understand why we study about the dot product, because dot product helps us to directly calculate the angle between the two vectors. That is the only method from where we can calculate the angle between the two vectors. That's why we are studying about the dot product. So here, suppose in the last example, if you see, we have A vector as I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and my B vector is what? I cap plus j cap. Now how to do the dot? Just for this, before that, you have to remember something. What is that? Let us see here. What you have to remember? First thing, I dot with I is equal to 1, j dot with j is equal to 1, and k dot with k is equal to 1. Other than this, any combination is 0. Other than this, all are 0. All are 0. Remember, I dot, suppose I dot ki is, that will be 0. Means other than this, any combination you take, that is 0. Okay, that is what I am trying to. So I am not writing that combination. You can understand any combination you will make, it will be 0. So what you have to do, you have to make the dot with the same component. Suppose your dot, you are doing dot of A and B. So I dot with I will become how much? This is 1 plus J dot with J, that is 1 plus K dot with K, that is 1. Sorry, K dot with 0, because there is no component of K in the next vector. This is 0. So overall value is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? So we got A dot B is as 2. So if we move to the next question, we want to calculate cos theta. So what is my cos theta? From there, A dot B will be how much? We have calculated it is 2. What is mod of A? That is root 3. What is mod of B? That is root 2. So sir, can we get the theta from here, cos theta from here? Yes, we got. What is the cos theta? That is root over 2 by 3. Just put it here. How much the projection? How much the projection you will get? Root 3 into root 2 by, sorry, root 2 by 3. This will get. And if someone asks you what will be the direction, what is its direction? Its direction is along B now, so you just multiply it with the B cap. Because whenever we want to give the direction, what we will do? We will multiply with the sum vector which has a unit magnitude but help us to tell the direction. So whenever we want to tell the direction, we just multiply it with the unit vector. How will you find the B cap? B cap we have calculated here. Just put this here value. You will get the exact. What is my projection? Okay. This is called as a scalar projection. This thing is called as a scalar projection. Okay. And this thing is called what we have calculated. That is called as a vector projection. Okay. That is called as a vector projection. So this is a vector projection. This is a scalar projection. Clear? Okay, because it includes direction also. Similarly, can you calculate? Similarly, you can calculate component of B along A also. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate component of B along A also. So for this, I am giving you homework. This is homework. This you will do. Okay. So next. We have moved. Yeah. So we have like we have calculated A dot B. Just take one more example so that you will be comfortable. Suppose my A vector is 2I cap 3j cap plus 4b cap, and my B vector is, suppose this is 3I cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. You have to find A dot B. So what you will do? I component with I, that is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6. Okay, so this will become 6 plus 15 plus 24. How much you will get? That is 45. That is why it is called as a scalar product, because it gives scalar value as an answer. Okay, that is why it is called as a scalar product. Clear? Any question? Question is there. The speed of the word is speed of bird is 2 meter per second. It is given that the speed of the bird is 2 meter per second. Find that speed. Find the speed. Sorry. Find the velocity. Not speed. The speed along find the speed along AB. So suppose this is my point. A vector, and this is my point. Or B vector. This is 1, 0, 1. This is 1, 2, 3. Here you have to find this value. Okay. This is your homework. You have to solve and tell me the answer. The properties of the dot product. Let us see the property of dot product. Clear? Okay, so let us see the property of a dot product. See, the first property of the dot product is, what is the first property? Can anyone tell me? If anyone remember, what is the first property of the dot product? If anyone have any idea? It is commutative in nature. That means A dot B is equal to B dot A1. Okay? Either you do A dot B or B dot A, both are same. There is no difference. Second thing is if A is perpendicular to B, if vector A is perpendicular to B, then my A dot B is equal to 0. This is very, very important. Okay, this thing is very, very important. Remember this. This point is very, very important point. Okay, lot of times asked in the exam. So that this point is very, very important. Okay. Okay. So if A vector is perpendicular to B, then A dot B is equal to 0. Second thing, third property, if it is written mod of A vector plus B vector whole square, it is equal to A vector plus B vector dot with A vector plus B vector. I can write like this. Okay, and if you open it, how you will get, that will be equal to mod of A vector square plus mod of B vector square plus mod of A into mod of B vector into cos theta. Where theta, you know what is the, it is the angle between these two vectors. Okay. Similarly, third is mod of A vector minus B vector whole square. What is this value? This will be mod of A square mod of B vector square. Sorry, 2 times of into cos theta. Here 2 times of cos theta. Clear? And if we add these two quantities, okay? If we add these two quantities, then what we will get? We get our next rule. We will get our next rule. What is the next rule? What is the next rule? If we add these two quantities, what is the next rule? Just add this, you will get the next quantity, next rule, that is vector A. Next property you can say is equal to vector B is equal to 2 times of mod of vector A square plus mod of vector B square. Okay, so these are the some of the important properties of the what dot product. Okay, these are the some of the important properties of a dot product, which you should remember and will be good. Okay, the question is very simple only. Suppose there is a block, okay, and it has a some mass of 2 kg. Suppose the mass of the block is 2 kg. Okay, and apply the force. Okay, okay, I applied a force. Force is 2 Newton and this is 3 Newton. Okay, not make it root 2 Newton. Calculation will be easy then, and this angle is 45 degree. Okay, if my V initial, or let me make this a little difficult, my mod of V initial means my initial velocity magnitude is 2 meter per second. Okay, find the V final, or I can make it more Clear? How to find A dot B? Just please tell me the answer how to find A dot B. Just wait for 1 minute, less than 1 minute.